Top 11 things to see in Rouen 1 Saint-Maclou Cemetery. This is a former 14th century cemetery, emblematic of the flamboyant Gothic style. The Saint-Maclou Cemetery, with its decorated ossuaries, is a surprising and historic sight, witnessing the plague epidemics that struck the city at that time. It is a peaceful place steeped in history, with a striking setting. 2. The Antiques District. The Antiques District and its beautiful Saint-Maclou Church add an extra dimension to your discovery of Rouen, offering a journey through time through objects steeped in history and charm. It's the perfect place for antiques and art enthusiasts. 3. Saint-Ouen Abbey. Saint-Ouen Abbey is a must-see for lovers of architecture and religious history, and its magnificent interior is certainly worth a visit. 4. Le Sec des Tournelles Museum. This unique museum is dedicated to the arts and crafts of iron and exhibits wrought iron objects, doors, gates, and metal sculptures dating from the Middle Ages to the modern era. 5. The Museum of Fine Arts. One of the most important art museums in France, with works spanning the Renaissance to the 20th century, including paintings by masters such as Monet, Goya, and Caravaggio. The permanent collections are free. 6. The Parliament of Normandy. Also known as the Palace of Justice, this imposing, flamboyant Gothic-style building now houses the city's courthouse. It is also the site of important judicial events in the history of Normandy. 7. Half-timbered houses. On the Old Market Square are some fine examples of half-timbered houses, some dating from the 14th and 15th centuries. 8. Joan of Arc's Stake. Joan of Arc's Stake, located on the Old Market Square, is a symbolic and unmissable sight for those interested in the city's history and the national heroine Joan of Arc, who was burned alive there on May 30th, 1431. 9. St. Joan of Arc Church. This modern church, dating from 1979, built next to Joan of Arc's Stake, is a landmark in the city's history. Its unique structure and contemporary architecture are breathtaking. 10. The Big Clock. Located on the street bearing its name, the Big Clock is one of the city's symbols. This 14th century belfry houses an astronomical clock and offers a magnificent view of Rouen's historic center. 11. Notre Dame Cathedral. This masterpiece of Gothic architecture, sublime for its impressive facade and stained glass windows, is also famous thanks to Claude Monet and his Impressionist paintings.